Hi guys, and welcome to Shelly's Homemade, and today we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. For our chocolate chip cookies, you're going to need 2 sticks of butter, softened, a half a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, two eggs, a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of white granulated sugar, 2 2/3 cups of flour. So, oh, and we can't have chocolate chip cookies without chocolate chips. So today I'm making my chocolate chips with milk chocolate. You can use semi-sweet, you can use dark chocolate, whatever you have, it's fine. Alright, so first thing we want to do is bring forth our flour. And that means my oven is ready. Salt, baking soda, and now we're just gonna take our whisk and just whisk this all together into my large mixing bowl. Just get it in there and just mix it in there. Not only is it just mixing it together, it's also shifting the flour so we won't have any lumps. Alright, that way you don't have to worry about that. So now, we're going to put this to the side for right now because we don't need that for a little bit. We're going to add our sugars to the butter, to the softened butter, and we're going to blend them together. Alright, so today I'm using hand mixer. And I'm just going to cream the butter and sugar together. Like this. Get all of it incorporated, and then we're going to add some eggs to this. And if I didn't say vanilla, we're going to use a tablespoon of vanilla, guys. Alright. Let's add our eggs. Alright, add another one. Is that a shell? No, thank goodness. There's one left, so. There we go, just mix. So this is our egg and sugar mixture. Now let's add our vanilla. Get that vanilla flavor in there. We're going to flavor up our chocolate chip cookies. In there. Alright, so this is going to go by fast. This is not going to take long at all. So we're going to put half of this mixture in. Turn it on low, so we don't want a bunch of flour in our face. And we're just going to turn the bowl with our mixture, with our hand mixer. Beautiful. Now, always remember, whether using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, to scrape down our bowl, because our mixer does not always get everything. Scrape down those sides, guys. Scrape down those sides. Add some more. And the last of it. So what I like to do, so I don't get a puff of flour in my face, I like to just take my handy dandy spatula and just try to fold it in some. And that way, when I go to mix it, I'm not over mixing. I'm just protecting myself. Alright. Just mix it in. And cookie dough is thick. I like it. And at this point, if you were going to do oatmeal raisin cookies, you would add your oatmeal at this point. It's the same base, it's just that you're adding oatmeal to it. Alright. Now, the recipe calls for a cup of chocolate chips. But, come on now. You can never have too much. I'm putting the whole bag in there, guys. And the whole doggone bag in there. You know, that's the worst thing in the world. Get chocolate chip cookies and ain't got no chocolate chips in it. So we're just gonna twist this in. Just like this. We're just gonna take our spatula and mix it in. There we go. We got beautiful, beautiful chocolate chip cookies, guys. Take my whisk, squirt ball out. Now, if you wanted to, you don't have to fold it in. I just didn't want to overmix my cookie dough. So just take it in and slowly incorporate it like this. And there it is. Beautiful chocolate chip cookie dough, guys. And I have a spatula. Or you could use, if you don't have one of these cookie scoops, or you scoop it like this and put it right on your pan like that. You could grab some dough like this, roll it into a ball, and plop it down. Alright, so we're going to move over to the stove. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's get some cookies on my sheet. Don't put too many. And these cookie scoops, you ensure that the cookies are the same size. And this batter right here makes 32 cookies. 2.5 dozen of beautiful cookies, guys. So you want to spread them out. You don't want to put them too close together. Just like that. So this cookie sheet holds 2, 4, 6, 7. If you wanted to, you may be able to stretch one more in. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to stretch one more in. Alright. So I'm going to get these into a 375-degree oven for 13 to 15 minutes, guys. And I'll be back. So I have put the cookies on a cooling rack to cool out of the oven. It took 14 minutes to cook the bake. You need nice, delicious, chewy cookie. Look at that. This is a really good cookie, guys. So y'all should make these cookies. Absolutely delicious. I want step by step. The base before I put the chocolate chips in there. You can add some chocolate and chocolate chips to it, like a half a cup of of cocoa powder. Mix that in there. You have chocolate chip cookies. Don't put the chocolate in there. Add oatmeal and raisins. Oatmeal raisin cookie. Add peanut butter in the beginning step. That peanut butter cookies. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get out of here and get into these cookies. And as always guys, have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video.